Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Foap to make money online. Now if you didn't know what Foap is, it's basically a place for both brands and photographers to benefit. It can benefit photographers because smaller creators who might not have a platform can upload their images here for sale, and then brands can come in and buy that content to be able to use for their adverts or brand image, stuff like that. So on the brand side of it, as you can see here, Foap has served 1,000 plus customers globally and ran more than 3,000 missions. And if you scroll down a bit here, it tells you a bit about case studies. Here you can see they work with Nivea, which is a huge brand. They cut their marketing spend and bumped up their CTR in just one campaign. Mandel's first video ad campaign delivered a 205% ROAS and path to maximise their future ad spend. This is just a small example of some of the brands they've been helping out. So if you head into the top right corner, you can click to the switch to creators bit. And this is mainly the reason why most of you will be here, so that you can sell your photos and then receive money for that. As you can see, they say here, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. And if you think about it, it is pretty much passive income, because if you've already taken these photos in the past and you have a big collection of photos, you can basically upload all your best ones here, and then a brand may see your photo and then decide to buy it. So if you already have your photos taken, there's really no extra work other than just uploading your videos to the site, which isn't really much effort at all. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online Foap portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50, which, considering they're giving you a platform and a place to actually sell your photos, is pretty fair. Submitting a video or photo to one of the missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. So the good thing about Foap is it allows all kind of users, from amateur to professional photographers, to make money online. Foap connects you with international brands and is a great marketplace to bring your photos to potential buyers in a very simple way. You don't really need much, you just need a phone to register and to upload your photos and videos to the app. And it is actually possible to start earning money immediately if your photos appeal to the Foap market. Pricing starts at $10 per photo and users get to keep half the profit, which is more than other stock photography platforms. So if you are a freelance photographer and you have a ton of photos, this seems like one of your best options. Here you can see some of the missions on Foap. So this one is bicycle for sale. Imagine you're selling a cool bike and make it look attractive. Grab your camera and shoot a snappy video that makes people want to own it or at least take a ride. Get up close and personal with those bike parts and maybe give them a spin to show off its smooth ride or throw in a fun fact. The requirements you have to meet are to keep the video within 60 seconds or less, to shoot the video vertically just like Instagram Reels or TikTok, and if you include spoken content, add in some English subtitles. So if you decide you want to take on this, you can click join this mission, and then from here you can sign up and then you can give that a go. So the best way to use Foap is actually to use their app. So I'm just going to jump on their app now and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so I'm in the app now, and to start off with, we're here on the news feed. Now if we scroll through here, we can see about winners for the Foap missions. So this one here is the winner of the best photo of June. If you head over to the Explore tab, you can see ones that have sold. So you can just look through here and kind of have an idea of what sort of quality that they will expect. As you can see, these images are really high quality and they're perfect for a brand to use. You can also head over to recent just to see what everyone else is posting. And you can just check this out, just to have an idea of what other people are doing. Now next up is the missions tab, and this is where brands will actually request videos and photos from people in order to use for themselves. So if I just click on this one, for example, this one's called Behind the Lens, people taking photos and videos. So it says share photos featuring people using different types of cameras, DSLRs, mirrorless or smartphones to capture genuine emotions and moments of focused engagement, whether they are taking photos or recording videos. And there is up to $150 in rewards here, so if you won that, it could be a pretty good little paycheck to have. So if you're a photographer just coming on here, you can either complete these missions, or you can click here to add a bit of info about you, and then you can start uploading your images and hope that a brand sees that and then agrees to buy it off you. So I hope you now know how you can use Foap to make money online. If you did learn something, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.